Bafethu sengathi nje namhlanje siphethe abantu ababehind uBabes Wodumo, abantu abenza iscreen sethu bafethu sibuke kakhulu uBabes Wodumo bafethu, kodwa la nginama dancers akhe, but nayi ke bafana ke sekunamantombazane, they are very extra beautiful bafethu. Bosses bam aniqaleni introduce then soqhubeka phambili sinibuze nje amanye ama controversial question. Asiqale ngale.
Oh, ngikuthanda Mbusi Siyasanga.
Yes siswami.
Umbalenhle Chawe.
Oh Mbalenhle uyigama elihle kangaka. Yes siswami uba igama.
Priscilla Mpilani.
Yes bafethu, anisitsheleni ke bafethu niqale nini ukudansela uBabes? Mhlambe what did you do to apply? Mhlambe there's an application or kunama auditions? What happens mawufuna ukudansela uBabes? Asiqale ngale futhi.
Nkosi yami.
Hey, lapho unama dimples ebana. Hey! Bathanda futhi lapha banama dimples uthi ha Nkosi yami. Yeah, awushele. Wenze kanjani wena uthi uzidansela uBabes?
No, ngizoyibeka kanjani? Uvele usithandile, ithi ngisho kanjalo because we were dancing for some other guy and then it happens ukuthi siperformele uBabes and then from there yeah uye wasithanda and stuff yeah.
Alright. Siswami awungitshela ukudansela uBabes kunjani time schedule njena ngoba senihlezi ni busy bathina abazali ngoba nihlezi nihamba nje manje I'm sure.
Well, abazali bayazi ukuthi siyathanda umdance. Siyathanda lento siyenzayo and bayahlonipha lento leyo ukuthi bayas encourage ngalento leyo siyenzayo. Ngoba sijabulile na njengamanje sijabulile siyathanda lento siyenzayo njengoba simthanda nayo uBabes.
Naso mfethu ngiyayizwa accent nini. Nabalaphi? Where you guys from?
Well, I'm sorry. I'm not a Zulu person.
Oh, where are you guys from?
Actually, Betty. Well, they can speak Zulu, but can I just speak English?
Yes, it's fine.
Yeah, it's fine. We're from various areas. We are dancers who were brought together by dance, and I am from Mpumalanga, and they are around here from Gauteng. So we were brought together by dance, and you know, as she said that. You know, we were dancing for somebody else before we were dancing for Babes Wodumo.
Yeah.
So right now, yeah, we're like a family. We're here together. We just come from different areas though.
So it's a diverse group of bafethu Babes Wodumo. Thank you Babes Wodumo from bringing abantu from different walks of life la kwi Wodumo entertainment. Sisazokulandela kakhulu eBabes Wodumo uyazi nawe. Anisitsheleni bafethu, are you guys schooling and how are you going to manage ilesikhathi senu sokuperforma because Babes Wodumo is going to be fully booked come this year, especially kuma university. How are you guys going to manage time? Shy, Loya?
I'm very shy, like yo. Kuzo balance though, cause when it's time like usukwamele ufunde and stuff, yeah, unaki isikolo and then makumele kube ama performances unaki rehearsal. Like it like yeah, iyahlangana. Yeah.
All right, so it's a sort of an extramural activities. And lastly, bafethu, abantu bafuna ukwazi they want to follow you because dancers are taking over in South Africa iyonke. So guys, just drop ama social networks enu. Nisitshela ukuthi singanithola kanjani kuma social networks. Let's start here. Usitshele na ukuthi singanithola kanjani bafethu kuma social networks.
I'm on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. On Facebook, it's Priscilla Mpilani. On Twitter, it's Priscilla Lane, and on Instagram, it's actually a little bit tricky because it's PR3 Sida. It's Priscilla but with a 3. You know. Yeah.
Nazoke bafethu nimzwile bafethu follow her. In fact we siyazi ukuthi senizoqala ukumlandela kakhulu. Yes siswami wona singakuthola kanjani mhlambe umqhafazo.
Ningangithola ku Facebook Umbalenhle Chawe or Enhle Chawe. Ku Instagram ningangithola ngo Enhle Chawe.
Nazoke siswami wena oshy mhlambe udimples _ okwenzekala.
I know. Uzongithola ngothando Siyasanga Mbusi on Instagram and Facebook.
Bafethu ngisengiyezwa manje ukuthi uSiyasanga angazi noma uXhosa kaloko but bafethu istate emuloyi nginama dancers bafethu are beautiful aBabes Wodumo bafethu bekumnandi kusazoba mnandi niyabona bayamuva nami ngifuna ukumuva kodwa manje ngibanjwa ujam lo enginawo noSimende sesiyahamba ke tate emuloyi on Student TV aha keep on lowing yeah.